What's up, guys? Some people have been asking to see my 2019 Tesla Model 3. This is the regular standard plus with a few mods. So we'll take a little walk through. First, on the front, if you would notice, I changed the Tesla symbol to be all black. I think MKBHD would say okay to this. As far as the headlights and the fog lights, I haven't touched them at all yet. Technically, it's not legal in my state, and I'm a little nervous to really do that. Front windshield is untouched as well. Rest of the car, I have the standard 18-inch Aero wheels, which I regret buying. I should have got the 19s in powder-coated black. But for now, this is what I got. I took the Aero caps off, and I put a little red Tesla cap there. I think they look nice, but the 19s in all black would have looked much better on this setup. On my cameras here, I have carbon fiber covers. Try to get the best view for you guys. It's a little sunny out here. They do work very well. I also have the car completely chrome deleted. If anybody watching it doesn't know what that means, it means the chromey parts on the car you vinyl wrap, in my case, gloss black, to get rid of it. So this car is basically one of a kind. As you see, the handles are perfectly wrapped. You don't see any chrome. I did make a few small errors, you know, like around here, but when the mirror opens, you don't see it, so whatever. No, it doesn't really bother me. I added this carbon fiber wing that does not come stock with the car. I also changed the Tesla symbol here. The tail light, I'm trying to keep my license plate out so I don't have to do any editing. My tail lights are tinted out, if you can see. So are the reflectors. Somebody on Twitter gave me the idea about that. I'm going to continue to walk around. I'm not going to make this too long. Give you a far away look. I just gave it a wash, so I'm going to be getting a ceramic coat soon and probably some other stuff. Going to be changing the calipers to red, Tesla red. That's going to be about it for mods. I might do something with the headlights to make it look a little more stealthy, but that's about it. Could do a quick little inside. My inside's a little bit dirty, but standard Model 3. Let me turn down that music so copyright. I got real carbon fiber. I think these are called the sills. Yeah, these are the sills. Got real carbon fiber there. These all-weather mats here from eBay by D-Tools. They're extremely good. They go all the way up. They're just like the real thing. I got the performance pedals, as you can see. I got the carbon fiber, real carbon fiber over here. Got the red T logo. All right, let's get in. Guys, a quick look. Everything is more or less the same. Name of my car is Stealth. And I added real carbon fiber here. The one thing about having real carbon fiber on here, I wasn't really thinking about it, is carbon fiber is RFID blocking. So usually you're going to put your key, whatever you want to call it, the key card here to activate certain things, and you can't. Now, at first, you know, I was going to rip this off, but I found the workaround online where you can tap it on the pillar. I think it's called the pillar. It's wherever the camera is, right here. You tap your card here versus there, and it does the same thing. So, yeah, that's been working out for me so far. I haven't yanked that up. Other than that, there's no modifications on the inside except for this. I I made this red. My symbols originally were red, but I changed them to black. I'm going to change this to black soon. Other than that, the car is the way the car is. I've been thinking about possibly getting the inside reupholstered, changing this white to black. I think this should have all been black to match. Not sure why they did this. Perhaps for the white interior. I can't answer that. But this is my Tesla Model 3. It's a month old, I believe, on Monday. Alright guys, so if you like this video, do leave it a thumbs up, and I'll see what else I can show you guys in the future. Like I said, I'll be doing the calipers in red from RPM Tesla. Not sponsored. If they were watching this and they want to send me some stuff, anybody else want to send me some Tesla stuff, by all means, I'll do a video with it. But this is my Tesla Model 3 as of today. Alright guys, so see you in the next one. Laters. Peace. I didn't do that, but cool.